Alright, I've got myself a brim. If you can see him. It's not a bad looking one. It's tied him down. There we have it. Beautiful brim. There. Another brim. It's only a small one. Pulled in the hot rod pretty hard. Yeah. Got onto myself with another brim. I think so. No, it's gone. It's gone, skis. Shit. Pulled in pretty hard. Let's just hope I catch another one. Another big brim. A good one. Yeah, look at that. Look at the size of him. Woo! If you ever want to catch big brim and you always catch the small ones, and you got to think a bit differently. Now the reason why I'm showing you these rock edges is because that's where the big brim come up to. They come to really shallow water when the tide comes up, especially to find crabs that hide in them and food that might be around. So it doesn't mean you have to cast your line all the way to the other side of the river. If you're on a rock edge like this, you just cast close by and you wait for them. And that's how you get to big brim. Good brim. Yeah. And that's dinner for tonight.